Welcome to the future of crimping technology. Danfoss, a global leader in engineering solutions, proudly introduces the ET500 lightweight portable crimp machine. Weighing just 29 pounds, the ET500 sets a new standard for portability and ease of use, making it ideal for technicians in diverse fields. Approximately 33% lighter than other crimp machines in its class. Due to its high-strength aluminum and steel construction, it allows technicians to carry it effortlessly, enhancing productivity without strain. With its compact design, the ET500 offers superior maneuverability, enabling efficient crimping operations in confined areas. Surpassing industry safety directives for portable equipment weight limits, the ET500 ensures peace of mind for technicians and employers.
As the world's lightest -12 hose crimper, our ET500 offers unmatched portability and safety, perfect for technicians on the go. Our customers have labeled this machine a game changer for service trucks.
But don't let size fool you. The ET500 delivers exceptional crimp performance and is approved to crimp Danfoss's 1A and Z series fittings and applicable hoses in sizes -4 through -12, as well as Danfoss's 4S series fittings and applicable hoses in sizes -6 through -10. With additional tooling, the ET500 also has the capability to assemble a wide variety of hose types, including thermoplastic, PTFE, 100R5, air brake, air conditioning, and industrial. The ET500 can be powered with any of the pump kits available for the ET1000 and ET1187 portable crimpers, including the new 54-volt battery pump kit, which is perfect for field use and lightweight at just 20 pounds. For added convenience in field settings, consider the new portability kit for this machine that includes Danfoss's FF series quick disconnect couplings and a longer 6-foot hose assembly. The ET500 comes standard with a bracket for bench mounting. Additionally, a wall mount bracket option is available, allowing the crimper to be easily mounted to the wall or inside a service van, enhancing its versatility in various work environments. Pair the ET500 with the new ET9000 45 BATT battery-operated portable saw. Weighing in at just 12 pounds, this saw and the crimper are a perfect match, both lightweight for field use, with capabilities up to 3/4-inch 2-wire braided hose. The new lightweight portable crimp machine is available now. Discover the ET500 lightweight crimper and battery-operated portable saw today. Visit danfoss.com/ET500 or contact your Danfoss representative for more information.